Best side hustle.
If you have no money and no experience.
Choose a topic you like. It can be anything.
For this example, I will go with pets. Google affiliate programs for your topic.
All these companies pay you a commission to promote their products.
Choose one with a good commission rate.
Join their program and get your affiliate link.
Now go to YouTube and search related videos. Filter by Creative Commons.
Download some of these videos and create a TikTok account like this one.
Upload the videos you found and
Place your affiliate link in the bio.
When someone buys something through your link, you get paid.
Link in bio if you want to start.